Dear traders, in this video, I'm going to tell you about the most powerful trading strategy that is based on the artificial intelligence. So here I will be telling you that how this strategy will be useful for forex, crypto and stock market. Before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which program I'm using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with them, you will have the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, that is the most popular, and standard cent, raw spread, zero, and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you are interested to open your account with them, you can get the link in the description of my video. First of all, I will be telling you that here I am using 5 minutes chart frame. You can also use from 1 minute to 15 minutes chart. Here I am using 5 minutes because I'm comfortable with 5 minutes time frame. And the indicators that we are using, the first indicator is the machine learning Lorentzian classification by JDE Horty. 4,358 traders are using this indicator. We have to simply click on it. It will be applied on our chart. Okay, here we are not going to do any kind of adjustment in the settings because its settings are by default very proper and accurate for our strategy. I want to tell you that here each candle has been assigned a number, a specific number that ranges from 0 to 8 or 0 to -8. Okay, as many numbers will have positive numbers with the candles, that much upper or higher trend will be there, and you will be able to see that if the numbers are more 8, that means more number of buyers are in the market. If we see that the numbers are -2, -0, -4, -6 or -8, that means the downward trend is more powerful. And as many -8 will be there, that many more sellers are there in the market. Here in this indicator, there are 2 more things that to be discussed. One is the red color label that shows this is the sell trend, and the green label is showing this is the buy trend. Okay, here this is the kernel regression line that is shown with this MA line inside, and the rest of the things I have told you that this is the trend of the market that is shown with the help of the numbers. The second indicator that we are using here is the mean reversion channel. You have to simply type mean reversion channel by Freyd's MRI variant. 5,076 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on a chart. Now, I will tell you that how to do few of the adjustment into it. Go into the input section. We have to change its outer channel size multiplier from 2.415 to 2 only. And click on chart setting as well. Click OK. And here is the chart that is in front of you. Now I will be telling you that how does it work for the buy and sell signal. Always remember, whenever our market has a trend that is lower to this middle line or middle yellow color EMA, then always our market has to move above. It has a buy signal trend, and for that we have to wait for our indicator to give us buy signal. Here, as you can see, this is below, the market trend is below this yellow color line, so it has a sell trend, and that has been shown by looking towards this red color label. Moreover, we have got many -8 or -6 or -2 numbers assigned to each candle. That means there are more number of sellers in the market. Whenever our market has gone down, it will be in between this yellow color or yellow, orange and red color zones in between. Okay, if our market has to move upwards, our market has to come up till this orange color, and if it reaches till orange color or yellow color, it has to take the reversal and it will go upwards. Here we have seen that these are the 2 green color lines. This is the red color line or red zone. This is also a red color zone, and in between there is a yellow color line that is showing that this is the middle trend. If our market is moving only above and down to this yellow color line, we will avoid taking any trade for buy or sell signals. As our market will touch to this yellow color line, then there will be maximum chances of our market to go above, as it has a positive trend, and it will be a positive trade or us buy trades. That means there are more number of buyers in the market than the sellers. So this is all about our strategy. As you can see here, we have taken this trade, for example, by looking towards the signal red color label, and as you can see, our market has taken the downward trend. It has gone beyond this yellow color zone, so it has taken a trend reversal upwards, and our indicator has also given us the green color label. So if we check this, the same strategy in Euro JPY, as you can see here, so we will be checking that here also our market has taken the trend that was a positive trend or the upward trend. By looking towards it, we can see that here the indicator has given us the buy level, and afterwards our market has moved a bit in the ranging, and then it has gone above this market level. Now if I show you that now the market has taken the trend reversal and it is going back to the sell signals trend or the downward trend. So we can take our trade accordingly, but we have to wait till our market will touch this yellow color line. So I hope this strategy is very, very clear. This is very useful, as well as this is very interesting whenever our artificial intelligence network will be used to check that which signal is more accurate than the normally we can take the trade by guessing using our own abilities of the trading skills. So you can use it with confidence that artificial intelligence is working on all of the aspects to check that whether the signal is accurate and powerful or not. It also filter out the fake signals, so you can avoid those all trades that you have to use, or you can get the trade with that and can lose your trade as well. So good luck from my side. If you found and if you find any value in this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my video and do use it with confidence for your own trade as well. Thank you and good luck.